video, I'm going to be getting some things done around the house. This is actually the first full day that I've been home in over 2 weeks because I have been with Jalen in the hospital. About 17 days ago, my husband Jalen was in an accident. He is now out of the hospital and in physical therapy rehab, and that is the final step before he will be able to come home. Every day is getting better. He's on the road to recovery, so just continue to keep him in your prayers. He's come so far in just 2.5 weeks, and it's just been amazing to see how the Lord has been healing him, and we've just felt everyone's prayers, and the Lord has been with him every step of the way. I shared this over on my Instagram. The Bible verse that's been really special to us the last little while has been, God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. When you're in a situation like this, you realize what's important, and nothing matters anymore except the people in your life and your walk with the Lord. My encouragement to you would be to enjoy every day. Life can change in an instant, and we often take for granted just the little everyday things that we do each day. Just continue to keep him in your prayers as he goes through physical therapy and things. Like I said, this is my first full day back home. I have been with him by his side pretty much 24/7. I haven't wanted to leave him. I wanted to help him every step of the way, be there for him. So today is kind of hard because this is the longest that I've been away from him since this accident happened, but I wanted to come home, spend a day with the boys, get a little bit of work done here at home. I will be heading back early tomorrow morning and hopefully staying with him until he gets to come home end of this week. Just wanted to help my mom out a little bit today, do some cleaning around the house, get my bags repacked and ready for the rest of the week, and also just try to get the house ready for him coming home at the end of this week. Kind of start to think about how I'm going to set up things for when he's in the house with the wheelchair and our bedroom and bathroom and all of that. So we'll start off the video with when I picked up groceries last night. We'll get those put away and then just get some things done around the house. I want to clean up my office and get that ready for me coming back home and working. I am going to be quite busy over the next couple of months. I'll be helping to run the chicken farm, and I will be continuing to film YouTube videos. They're definitely going to be a lot simpler. I will just be filming what I'm getting done around the house, and I'm just going to put together a really good schedule for myself once he's back home. So yeah, we'll get into this video. It probably won't be super long, but I just wanted to film a little something today for this week's video, so I hope that you enjoy it. So I'm doing some cleaning in my office, and this was kind of therapeutic today to just do some cleaning at home. And now since I filmed this video, we were actually able to bring him home at the 3-week mark. And like I said, my videos may be a little more simple over the next couple months. Definitely won't be doing any big house projects or renos, makeovers, anything like that for a little while. It will just be everyday things around the home like organization, cleaning, my routines, meal prep, different things like that. And you probably won't be seeing Jalen in my videos for a while, and I won't be talking about the accident much after this. I just wanted to give you a brief explanation of why my videos may look a little different over the next few months. My routine will be a bit different, and I may be taking a week break from YouTube here and there, or maybe a 2-week break. I'll probably try for at least 3 videos a month, but just a warning ahead of time, if you see me take a break for a week or 2 or more, just know that I will come back. So I got my office clean, and then I was just trying to get my schedule figured out for work. I had to move some videos around. We did have some renos and house projects planned for the next 3 months, and so I had to kind of replan some videos. I do have sponsors and different things that I've signed with, so trying to move those around since I did kind of take off work the last 2 weeks being in the hospital. So I gotten to see the boys maybe 2 times over the last 2 weeks, and so this was special to get to spend the day with them. Levi really missed me, and he just wanted me to snuggle him all day. So I would stop throughout the day and just go and rock him. And like I said at the beginning, something like this just really makes you grateful for little everyday moments like this. got home pretty late the night before, and so I just put the cold stuff in the fridge and the freezer, and then I was going to finish putting everything away this morning. And I hadn't had my morning coffee yet, so going to pause here and make that. I've been trying out some new beans from a local roaster and really have been loving those.
No, maybe that, Mom. Is that? Look how they just stare up. Sure. Come out.
So I'm going to do some more cleaning in the kitchen. Like I said earlier, it was very therapeutic to do some cleaning today, and I also wanted to help my mom out. She had been running the household for 2 weeks now. So grateful that she could be here with the boys. She was doing some projects and homeschool with the boys this morning while I was going to deep clean the kitchen. So I was cleaning off the countertops, doing dishes, watering my plants. I wiped down the tile, wiped down the fronts of the cabinets and the appliances. I was washing dishes and refilling the hand soap and the dish soap. I do get asked a lot about this dish soap and hand soap. I am still loving this brand that I found on Amazon, and it's really nice to get it in the large jugs like this because you don't have to buy it as often. It's more convenient, and I can put it on a subscription so I don't have to worry about it. We had quite the pile of cards stacking up, and I wanted to start taping them all to the fridge and just cover this side of the fridge with the cards. That way when Jalen came home, he would go right past all of the cards that he's been getting. So once I did that, I was working on this side of the kitchen, wiping down the countertops and the tile, and I'm going to clean the stove, refilling the olive oil and the salt container. I think I've mentioned this before, but this little salt container is from Hobby Lobby. And then I do just buy my pink salt from Costco. It's nice to just buy it in a large container like this. It lasts for a really long time. And then I was just using dish soap today to clean my stove. I have a little scraper that I ordered off of Amazon, which is really nice for an electric stove top like this, just to keep it clean. Once the stove was clean, then I started working on the fridge. I wiped down the outside of the fridge, and then I wanted to reset the inside of the fridge, get things cleaned out, get rid of anything that was expired, and just get it reorganized, maybe wipe down the shelves a little bit, and also start taking inventory of what I need to order and pick up at Costco. Hopefully in like the next 2 weeks. I'm going to wait until he's back home, and then one of the days I want to do a big restock in the fridge and the freezer that will last us for a long time, make some freezer meals, just whatever I can do to make life a little bit easier. I want to be making a lot of good high protein meals, and we did just order a half beef, so that is getting delivered in a couple days, which was perfect timing. Our freezer will be full of meat. So you can expect some meal prep videos coming up here in the near future. I will share some freezer meal ideas and then also some meal prep ideas to keep inside the fridge. I want to especially keep our lunches really simple. So meal prep different ingredients for like burrito bowls, salads, wraps, different things like that that are very simple that I can have prepped in the fridge at the beginning of the week.
Thank you.
Okay, so the fridge is cleaned and organized, the kitchen is clean, and I'm going to go and start a load of laundry. And I want to pause here in the video to share with you the sponsor of today's video, which is Earth Breeze. I do always try to use a non-toxic, chemical-free laundry detergent because a lot of laundry detergents will leave behind a harsh chemical residue on your clothes that can transfer to your skin, and we don't want that. So that is why I love Earth Breeze laundry sheets. They're free from brighteners and other harsh chemicals like dyes, parabens, and preservatives. These are eco-friendly laundry sheets that come in cardboard packaging, and they eliminate single-use plastic packaging and reduce the shipping carbon footprint. I've been using these for almost 3 months now, really have been loving them, and I love that they are such a space saver compared to a large jug of laundry detergent. If you want a gentler clean, switch to Earth Breeze. Right now you can click my link and get 40% off your auto shipment. So click my link or just click the QR code right here for 40% off your auto shipment. First week I didn't have a vehicle at the hospital, but then the second week I did have the truck there. And then when he was moved to physical therapy, I was running back and forth in the truck, eating food on the go when I could, and things were just kind of thrown in the truck. It had gotten pretty crazy in there, so I wanted to clean everything out, all of the trash, all of my bags, pillows, everything, and then throw some stuff in my bags, get them repacked for the rest of the week. I also had everything stacked in the back seat that we had accumulated in the hospital room for those 2 weeks. So just a lot of different items to go through, and I know there's not a whole lot happening in this video, but this is all that I was able to film this week. Like I said, this was the only full day that I was at home for these last almost 3 weeks, and so this was what I could film. I had already skipped a week and I wanted to get a video out this week. I do need to continue working because he will not be able to work for quite a while. After I went through all of those different random bags and got things put away, threw away the trash and all of that, then I wanted to clean our bedroom, get it reset, dust some of the surfaces, clean the air filter, vacuum the floors. I wanted to bring the humidifier in here, some extra pillows, start setting up this nightstand for Jalen with his water bottle, some snacks, different things like that. I wanted our room to be fresh, clean, and ready for when we brought him home end of this week. The encouragement that I want to leave with you today is to enjoy every day. Life can change in an instant, and so often we take for granted just those little everyday things that we do each day. And even what a blessing it is to just be able to stand up out of bed in the morning, walk out and make coffee together, have breakfast as a family in the kitchen. We always have so much to be grateful for and so many blessings. So just really try to enjoy those little everyday moments and also cherish the people in your life. Little disagreements that we have are just so pointless. Just enjoy every day that you have together with the ones that you love. This whole experience has definitely changed us for the rest of our lives. It's changed our perspective on a lot of things and just really reminded us what is important. So just wanted to leave you with that inspiration today. Find joy every day in what you're doing and enjoy those little moments each day with your family. getting that laundry switched over and just spent time with the kids that afternoon, got a couple of other things done. I did some more computer work and also just starting to try and figure out hospital bills, appointments, all of the things that comes with when you're going through a situation like this. But anyway, that is where I'm going to close out today's video. That's everything that I filmed on this day at home. And now it's the next morning. I loaded up the truck and headed out for the rest of the week. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that it just gave you that encouragement and inspiration to enjoy every day. And thank you so much for all of your prayers. It has meant so much to us, and we appreciate each of you so much. We're so grateful for you. And I will see you next Tuesday with a new video. Like I said, the next couple of videos I will be working on some meal prep. We will do some grocery shopping, and maybe I'll share my morning routine, daily routine, cleaning, organization, all the things. So stay tuned for that, and I hope you have a wonderful, blessed week.